Hey folks, it's Guy from Parcel BI, and today I wanted to take you through a quick overview of some of the savings that Parcel BI recently exposed for a new user. Now this user ships a lot of ground, but some priority, and when they're shipping ground, they give free shipping to their clients, so they want to keep those costs as low as possible. And when they ship priority, they want to make sure they capture those costs as accurately as possible because they bill them prepay and add to their customer. So looking at their overview, you can see that the vast majority of shipments are for ground. And you see they have a very seasonal approach to shipping. But when you take a look at some of their expedited shipping costs, especially their next day early delivery, they're paying as much as $177 on average for that service. So it's really important that they capture all that for their customers. So getting into the detail a little bit, the first thing we exposed was they have a dimensional issue where they're not entering the dimensions of their packages, and therefore they're getting a lot of corrections, and this is going to have a ripple effect on their costs. So they're having about a 10-pound difference, but if you look at next day early and the other early services, it's even a higher amount of correction. So they're not doing a good job of capturing the costs of the actual cost for shipping those priority shipments to their customers. So that means they're not billing the full amount that they're going to be getting billed for, and we can take a quick look at that down into the invoice charge detail. So here are the corrections that we expose with this shortcut, and there's $55,000 more in correction charges that they're not capturing back. So in addition to that, UPS started adding an audit fee. So when there's multiple corrections in a shipment, they'll start adding an additional dollar per package in that shipment, whether it's corrected or not. So on top of that $55,000 is another $4,500. So they're paying about $60,000 due to corrections in a year, and that's, again, this only started in June. This is just an example of what Parcel BI did for one user. If this resonates with you and you're interested in a demo, please go to the website www.parcelbi.com or give us a call at 216-358-0812. We'd be happy to help expose some other savings opportunities for you.